Hello, welcome to the video. I'm Wayne Paranto. Today we're going to take a look at my lesson, Hot Summer by The Ventures. Now I'm also including the backing track. If you check below in the description, I'll have a link for that so you can listen to the backing track for this. Now this is my very first video on my new channel here. So if you like this sort of thing and you like guitar instrumentals and maybe the odd lesson, not relating to instrumentals, blues, country, some riffs and stuff like that, please consider subscribing to the channel. But anyway, hope you guys enjoy the video. Okay, at the beginning of Hot Summer here by The Ventures, I'm starting on the 12th fret on the 6th string, just doing a slide, hitting it open, and then the bass is going to play a little run. You'll do it again. Now the main riff, we're starting with our open 6th and 5th string, so we're going to go E, A, and then start here. End with an open A string. So let me play that for you again. So that would be part one. One more time slow. Okay, so let me add in part two now. So I'll play part one again. Okay, now part two slow. Part two slow again. Okay, I'll do both parts. And then as you can see on part 2, we're ending here. So it's... Okay, I'll do the whole thing slow from the start. And one more time. Okay, on the third part, we're putting another slide. Now we can just slide anywhere in this area. We don't have to go to the 12th fret. We're going to end on that open E string again. So just hit it open. We're going to start on the 4th fret. And end on the 4th fret. Now let me play this again for you slow. Now a bit of a stretch here. As you can see, I'm holding my first finger down so it's easy for me to come back to it. If you're having trouble with that stretch, you could take your first finger off. And the next thing is your thumb. I have the thumb way down here, and I'm sitting, of course, so it's kind of hard to get under your guitar. But that's just a little trick to get under here. It'll open your hand more. So if you have your thumb up top here and you're trying to stretch, or a little ways down, it's going to be hard. You want to get your hand rather flat like this with your thumb low. So slide, 4th fret. Now what I do is I hit this note and actually slide in here between the 4th and 5th fret. So I get that sort of sound. Because I'm going to the last part here. I'm hitting it on the way as I go to this last part. So now the very last part, 7th fret. And we're back to A. So from the beginning, slowly. Again, sometimes I might slide here, or I might slide here. It doesn't really matter. Now, as I speed this up, you'll see that little slide in there. It's happening so fast in there, so it's just a little. Now, another thing you can do is you can bend and shake these notes a bit. And we can do it here also. the only thing that's different here is later in the song, we move down to the open A string and we play part 1. Now we're in D. Part 2. We don't put the slide in and we go right to part 3. Back up to A, and you do your part 1 again, and part 2, part 3. So that's the only different part here, is just we're moving to the key of D, but it's exactly the same, and you're just shifting, you know, down on your A string. I always want to throw the slide in there. You know, if you did, that's fine. Okay, let's take a look at the solo. I'm barring the 2nd and 3rd string, and I'm just hitting that. So that'll be our very first part of the solo if you want to break this up. So. Throw a little slide in there. Now, you know, I might play this different every time I play this, but I'm basically going to stick around the same notes and the same kind of, you know, style. So. After that, I'm going to do a bend here on these 2 notes. But I'm going to bend with my 3rd finger on those 2 notes. So this would be, you know, the part 2. So the start, part 1. Part 2. We're on the 4th fret, hitting the 3rd string, and then I'm hitting the 1st string open with this. Okay, I'll take it from the very last part on the 3rd part that we learned. Now let me try that again. And one more time. Try to go even slower. So now, after this, we're going to do slide to E here, 2nd string, and we're hitting our 1st string open with this note here. So here I'm just doing a little hammer on, and then hitting second and first string open after that. So we're going to be playing here. You throw your slide in here to here. And I'm just finishing with that little lick there, repeat it twice. So coming from up here. Again, another one of those spots where I'm going to play slightly different every time. So I'm just giving you the general idea of these open string little spots. You know, so feel free to make up your own little stuff in here. You don't have much time because by the time it gets to the E here, there's only a few bars and we're out of here. So. So coming from the A. So let me try to play the whole solo now from the very beginning, taking it from here. And then of course we'd go to our D part after that.